welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of a continuation of my previous video. I'll link that video along with the wig in the description box so you guys can have all that information. Today I'm going to be styling this deep curly wig that I got from Amazon. I wanted to try a few different styles and just kind of show you guys different ways that you can style your curly wigs. So I'm just starting off with like this 2 pigtail style. It has like a curly bang on each side. I defined my curly bangs with water. It was super easy. I did about 8 or 9 styles in this video, so they're all pretty simple. I liked most of them. I didn't have any issues with the hair like trying to tangle up on me while I was trying to like style it or anything like that. I also didn't experience much shedding. I do also want to let you guys know that my hair was completely dry in this video. I didn't get to show how it looked dry in the last video, but this is the curl pattern when the hair is completely like air dried. It does have water mousse and wetline extreme gel in it, but not a lot of product, not too much product. And this is just how the curls look. They're not defined. I didn't try to like define them or anything. Like I said, they just air dried like this. If you guys have any more questions about this wig, you can leave them in the comments below and I will let you guys get into the video. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be trying to do more frontal styling videos like this one. Let me know in the comments what you guys like, which style was your favorite, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.